Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get some rewards from the newest event. So what you have need to do is click the events banner, click the future. This is the Riley Life Trail. So this is the newest sponsor event from Sunpride Life. So let's see the future, or let's see the content itself by clicking it. As you can see, this is a spinning lucky draw. You can spin and get the reward package. You can get CP free and also weapon level experience card by spinning it once for a day. And also you can close it, and also the other content is Riley Life Trail. You can leveling up, you can get reward. As you can see, I already level 4. I already get the rewards from it by playing more and more. And also to fulfill the milestone, or you can fulfill the mission to get leveling up, you have to play more and you get the rewards. For example, this you can click this Riley's food, click Riley's food, and okay, so it gets leveling up. You have to leveling up until 10. And also, for example, Riley's drink, click OK. And you must play more game to leveling up the Riley's Life Trail and get more rewards from it. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.